Hello everyone and welcome to Smart Arts September weekly challenge videos. My name is Jake and today I'm going to be doing the second prompt for this month using the word clouds. And it's a pretty cloudy day out there today, so it's a perfect day for me to do this challenge. So let's hop into it. For this piece I chose to use the Strathmore watercolor paper, and this is where you can get the full use of the Ecoline brush pens. Since the pens are water-based, you can use them a lot like watercolors. So in this piece, I decided to go with something a bit more silly and playful. So if you have something in mind that's a little bit more illustrated, you can draw in lightly with a pencil if you need to get the idea down. If you're like me and you never know how to lay down pencil lightly, just take an eraser at the end and lightly erase everything until you get a light amount of the pencil showing, and then you're ready to get the pens out. So I thought using the watercolor paper would work best for this piece, since clouds are very soft looking, and having the ability to really push the inks around more is going to help give it that fluffy look. And personally, I always love that soft watercolor look. So all I'm really doing right now is blocking out with some lines where I want things to go, and then taking a brush with some water on it and pushing all the colors around. These pens put a good amount of ink down on the paper, so you don't really need a whole lot to get yourself started. It's always smart to start light because it's easier to add more and it's a lot harder to take away. So now I'm adding some strong shadows using the Marabu inks. These inks absorb and dry super fast on the watercolor paper. So just keep that in mind. It seems to work really good for making really defined blocked out colors. And once you have everything down on the paper that you want, you can start coming in and adding line work using the black pen. Just be sure that everything is dry before you add the black so it doesn't bleed into areas that you don't want it to be. I forgot to wait for the yellow to dry and I got a little bit of a bleed. But no mistakes, it's a happy accident, right? And as always, I'm just adding some final detail, and I'll see you guys at the end result. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word clouds. I think it turned out pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget, there are 4 weekly challenge prompts for each month. If you don't know where they are, make sure to check the back of your brochure for those prompts, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this where I tackle them myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check out my personal channel as well over at Naughty Egg Draw. There's going to be a link in the description as well. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!